Hello everyone, welcome back to Ethereal Dude. And today we are diving into one of the most magical spots in Northeast India, the pine woods of Kyrdemkhla in Meghalaya. If you are tired of blazing heat waves gripping the rest of the country right now, this vlog is your escape. It's monsoon season here, and while Delhi and Mumbai are hitting around 35 degrees Celsius, I'm chilling in this cool, misty paradise where the temperature hover around 15 to 21 degrees Celsius. Feels like a whole different world. I have been flying drones since 2021, mostly cinematic ones like the DJI Mavic series for those smooth, epic shots. Never crashed a single one in all these years. But today, I'm stepping up my game with the DJI Abode 2, my first FPV drone. This FPV is a beast. It's like being a bird zipping through the obstacles at a high speeds with immersive goggles. Unlike cinematic drones that hover steady for pretty landscapes, FPV demands split-second reflexes for its raw, adrenaline-pumping flying. Let's see if I can handle it without a mishap. This is gonna be around 16 minutes of thrill ride through fog, forest and crystal clear streams. Kydemkhla's forests are straight out of fantasy novel. Tall pine trees stretching 30 to 40 meters high. Their needles whispering in the breeze. But what makes it surreal is the mist and fog. It is midday here while I am capturing this footage. A thick blanket of fog rolled in from the valleys, turning everything ethereal. Visibility drops like 20 meters at times. It's like flying through a dream. Okay, confession time. My perfect no crash streak since 2021 just ended. Pushing the Abode 2 through the tight gap between these trees, boom. First FPV crash ever. But luckily, the Abode 2 is quite tough. No major damage, just a prop swap.
When you have to shoot, don't talk.
Wanna try same spot where we had our first crash? Hopefully we can pull it off without a hitch this time. FPV is worlds apart from the cinematic drones. Those are like driving luxury sedan, stable, auto features galore. FPV is a replica on steroids. Manual controls, high speeds, no room for error at all. I have flown Mavics over waterfalls and mountains without any issues. But FPV demands you become the drone. That immersion is addictive but humbling. As I glide above the treetops, feel that a light drizzling start falling. It's not rain, it's more like nature's gentle misting system. Droplets kiss my face as I'm standing here and controlling the drone. It's invigorating, cool, fresh, and almost therapeutic. Like I have hacked the weather, no AC required, just pure mountain air at 4,700 feet above sea level. Here's the real fun. Hitting those gaps between the pines. The trees are not packed tight like a jungle. They are spaced just enough for thrilling maneuvers. But one wrong twitch on the controller and you are toast. But nailing it feels like I'm a falcon waving through the canopy. The fog adds this layer of mystery, gaps appears and vanish like portals. A small tips for aspiring FPV pilots. Start slow in open areas. The Avatar 2 does not come with obstacle avoidance senses like normal cinematic drones. So trust your instinct more than the tech. What blows my mind is how the indigenous Ksieh people have preserved this wonderful area for centuries. It is a beautiful blend of ecology and culture. For generations, they have used natural boundaries like these pines to prevent soil erosions, keeping the streams pristine. In a world where rivers are choked with plastics, this is a time capsule. What an unforgettable day in Kydemkhla pine woods. From the misty treetops gliding with drizzle on my face, hitting gaps, and soaring over those preserved crystal streams. This is why I like to fly. Escape to this cool haven. It's priceless. Shout out to the locals for keeping it surreal for centuries. Kydemkhla is often bustling with locals enjoying recreational activities, and the ponds below is primarily used for recreational anglers on designated days. One interesting fact I would like to share with you. These streams are once home to endemic fish like golden mahseer, a prized catch for anglers. Unfortunately, overfishing has devastated most of it, but you can still spot them in remote rivers. Thankfully, local authorities and some great folks from Meghalaya have started taking good steps to prevent it. If you have enjoyed, like, subscribe and drop a comment below. That means a lot to us. Until our next adventure, be peace.